On the outside, they may look like ordinary valves, but they're more than ordinary. It's what's inside that makes them truly extraordinary. Inside is more than 325 years of combined applications experience, more than 1,700 employees and factory-trained sales representatives, and tens of thousands of satisfied customers in virtually every country in the world. Inside, there's dedication and experience, design innovation, quality, service, and pride. That's what makes the DeZURIK difference. DeZURIK is a family of 7 time-honored valve brands: DeZURIK, APCO, Hilton, Willamette, Red Valve, Tideflex, and RKL Controls. Throughout our history, our success has been built upon the same founding principles. We listen to our customers, we understand their processes, and we build valves that solve their problems. With the world's leading technology and seasoned engineering teams continually innovating new products, DeZURIK's future has never been brighter. Customers appreciate our responsiveness, and they derive complete peace of mind in our industry-leading 2-year warranty on all products. They trust DeZURIK to keep their operations humming at peak efficiency. That's a lot of responsibility, but it's a challenge we embrace every day as the industry leader. It's what makes us stronger, faster, smarter, better. It's what makes us different. The DeZURIK difference. Because it's not just a valve, it's a DeZURIK valve.